Way of identifying with who I am, and I could express myself in notes and chords, and I just followed that because it felt like something that made me belong somewhere in a world that I created in my head most of the time. But
Bonani, my name is Coco Madala from the south of KZN in South Africa. I'm an indigenous music vocalist all the way from South Africa, and welcome to my world. This is the world of entertainment, love, hey, everything you can think of entertainment from South Africa. I keep it raw, I keep it uncut, I keep it as pure as you can possibly get it. I'm ancestral, and this is my world. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Sanbonani Absheni Lochani, igama lami uKoco Madlala, and this is Camagu Live Unplugged. Thank you. Let go.